In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is a straightforward, privacy-focused search engine, and getting started is simple. Open your browser and go to duckduckgo.com. You'll see a clean page with a search box in the center. Click in the box and type what you're looking for, like weather today or best laptop 2026. Press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. Your results will appear instantly, showing a list of links with short descriptions, much like any other search engine. If you want more precise results, try being specific with your words. You can also put quotes around exact phrases for an exact match, or use a minus sign to exclude a word from results. These small tweaks make your searches clearer and faster. One of the best time savers in DuckDuckGo is instant answers. For many queries, you'll see a helpful answer right at the top of the page. Type a math calculation, like 45, 12, and the result appears immediately. Need a quick conversion? Try something like 20 USD in EUR or 3 miles in km, and you'll get the converted value without opening a separate page. For quick definitions, type define followed by the word you want to look up, and you'll see the meaning up front. You can also check things like the weather by entering weather today or weather plus a city name to get a brief forecast at a glance. Instant answers are designed to save you clicks and time, so try them whenever you want a quick fact or number. Another powerful feature is DuckDuckGo's bang shortcuts, called bangs for short. These let you jump directly to search results on other sites while starting from DuckDuckGo. Type followed by your topic to search Wikipedia, for example, W solar eclipse, use YT plus your query to search YouTube, like YT learning piano. And if you're shopping, you can try Amazon plus what you're looking for, such as Amazon wireless mouse. When you use a bang, DuckDuckGo takes you straight to that site's results page, which is great when you already know where you want to search. Just remember, bangs send you to the destination site immediately, so you'll be viewing results on that site rather than on DuckDuckGo. That's all you need to start using DuckDuckGo effectively. Begin with a clear search, rely on instant answers for quick facts, and use bangs to jump straight to the sites you trust. With a little practice, you'll find your searches faster, cleaner, and more efficient.